Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the notification settings. Here, you will see options for message notifications and group notifications. Under these sections, find the Show Notifications option. Tap the toggle switch next to each option to turn notifications on. And this is how you can turn on notifications on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.